I am part of this panel discussion because I handle the National E-Governance Plan as a program management unit in the Department of IT. The National E-Governance Division also does a lot of support in framing policies, including the cyber security policies. In fact, my team of experts who work on cyber security, like Dr. Narang and his team, they're all present here today, and they know more about the subject than me. But what I want to talk about is the governance part of it. How do we ensure that cyber security is part of e-governance measures, e-governance initiatives of the government, both the government of India and the state governments. We have a lot of infrastructure, a lot of applications that are there in the e-governance domain, and we have realized that the measures regarding the cyber security in the e-governance domain have been piecemeal. If you take the state wide area networks or the state data centers or some of the applications, there is a cyber security component in it. And there are certain standards, there are certain guidelines, there are certain regulations. But I think they have not been handled coherently. I think there is no comprehensive view of how to handle cyber security in e-governance. And that is when we have come up with a cyber security cell within the National E-Governance Division. DIT has given us money in which we were asked to develop cyber security guidelines for the e-governance domain. And Dr. Narang and his team is working on that. We will shortly, maybe in about 2-3 months' time, we will come up with a guidebook kind of a checklist, a list of guidelines for people to easily understand and implement at the state level. Along with that comes the most important task of capacity building. I think if you build capacity, if you make people aware of what kind of how important cyber security is, then half your job is done. But today there is a lack of understanding. I think a lot of people don't know certain basic aspects, and I think we need to train right from the lowest level of a clerk to the leadership level. We need to talk about cyber security. And as part of capacity building efforts, we have a capacity building scheme, a specific scheme sanctioned by the government. We are introducing cyber security component in a major way. And once we have these guidelines and this guidebook ready, we are going to have a great fillip to these efforts, and we are hopeful that the capacity building will take off. NILIT is present here. NILIT is also partnering with us in these efforts. And I will not take much time of yours, and I'll invite Dr. Ashwini Sharma to talk about what NILIT is doing in this regard. Thank you.